What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we have quite a lot to go over and discuss. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a more eventful weekend than this. We have Trump coin exploding. We have an inauguration happening right now. TikTok, the most popular social media app, getting banned and then being brought back in less than 24 hours. And we have a new exchange deal that I found that I want to share with you guys. So there is a lot happening and a lot going on. Not to mention, we have Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, XRP nearing or above all-time highs. I mean, we have quite a lot to discuss. It is insane. Today's episode, we are going to be covering XRP, not at all-time highs, sorry, but practically near it here at $3.30, which is insane. We have Solana, which exploded due to the Trump coin. Lots of money flew into Trump coin, which is based on the Solana blockchain, and then money leaving it has to go through Solana, hence the major explosion. Now we're seeing the Trump dump as, you know, the inauguration is taking place. Buy the rumor, sell the news, and we're starting to see a lot of mixed emotions right here. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, and then we'll briefly cover QQQ in the stock market. Today is a holiday, so those markets are closed. We might see a little bit of consolidation today as well. Lots of interesting things to go over, lots of interesting things to discuss. So with that being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, really cool news. I found a new trading competition offered on MARGEX, which is pretty cool. They might be here for a little bit on the YouTube channel, so we'll see. I'm still testing out the exchange to see how they are here, but they're offering a trading competition as well as a sign-up bonus of up to $10,000. And like I say, don't keep all your eggs in one basket here. If I can find other deals and opportunities being offered on other exchanges, we might as well take advantage of it. It's not like it can't be forced to just be on one exchange. You can use two. It doesn't really make much of a difference here, and test out and see what you like here. But it's just a cool thing. Like I said, if you like trading and you took advantage of the BYDFI trading competition that's now ended, and you want a new one to take advantage of here, this is super cool. It's pretty much the same exact thing that happened with the last one on BYDFI. This is now on MARGEX here. $1,000 prize pool to start. Each 1M makes the competition prize pool go up by $100. So it's free money yet again. If you guys are trading to begin with here, consider shifting here. I'll put the link to MARGEX down in the description below, and you can take advantage of some free 10K sign-up bonus, which is also really cool. But with that being said, diving into today's episode here, you can see the current coin market cap. We ended yesterday discussing that this weekend could change everything, and it sure did. We had a lot of crazy stuff happen this weekend here, like some insane things. As you guys know, I do have a second channel where I do a lot of reaction videos on finance and stuff, and with TikTok disappearing, then coming back, there was a lot of thinking going on as to how I'm going to shift making videos like that, but luckily it's back for who knows how long. It's still banned in the App Store, so I don't know. But for the time being, I have a little more time to think about what I'm going to do here. So very interesting. A lot of interesting things to do and discuss, but we'll stay on topic. We'll talk about cryptocurrency here. We just saw a major pop in XRP, and now we're kind of hovering there. If I jump to the coin market cap, you can see here that we are currently up 18% on Bitcoin. We're up 1% for the week, but XRP's up 36%, Solana's up 46%, BNB's up 2%, Doge is up 16%, Cardano's up 17%. Check it out. We have Melania coin, which is ridiculous, and Trump coin here. Trump coin was up at a high of like freaking, what is it, $72? It's almost like it's been around for a little bit here. It came out back in January, or sorry, that's not that long at all, actually. Was this coin just made 2 days ago? Yeah, I guess so. It was made back in like January 17th or January 16th at the earliest, at least that when it was listed on CoinMarketCap here. And now it's at, it peaked at $71 and now it dumped to 52. I mean, these things are so aggressive that you got to be very careful, because I'm sure a lot of people bought in right at 70 thinking they're about to get in on a huge run, and now it's down 50 and they're screwed and lost a ton of money here. So definitely be careful here, but this is on the Solana blockchain, you can see. So that's why we're seeing a lot of money get pumped through Solana, the main crypto, and people on Solana are making good money. So when they sell off, they go into Solana, or they have to convert on the Solana blockchain to enter into the Trump coin. So very interesting how that works here. But to look at XRP right now, we are on the up and up. We talked about this last week. for many days that we were tracking a beautiful, magnificent bull flag formation here, filling in the gap, lower high, lower lows, beautifully, majestically consolidating here. We confirmed closure above this major resistance and markets exploded. Doesn't get any more textbook bullish than this. I can literally pull up bull flag crypto, and you can see what we're talking about here. Check it out. This is what a bull flag looks like. The major rally is exactly what we expected. It's textbook breakout, this beautiful bull flag here. That is exactly what we saw in XRP, and now obviously we see that major run to the upside here. It's not too late. We had the buying opportunity right here. I told you guys well in advance that this was that buying opportunity. Then we exploded up. I said get that stop loss tight. If you got hit, it's okay for right now. It seems like we found a wall here that we're not really breaking, so we'll see if we do that. But there's a chance. I think we are a bit high for a lot of these cryptos, but anything can happen. I've said there should be another first quarter run, and that could be what we're seeing right now take place. We could easily see these markets continue to scale higher. It really just depends here how much we go, but there's a lot of uncertainty right now. Like we have Solana, which is extremely overbought. XRP is overbought here, so I don't know if there's more room to head up, but anything is possible. I'd likely think that this is time to take those profits out. You know, a trade selling early is never a bad trade. A trade selling too late can very well be a bad trade. So it's definitely a good idea to consider taking profits at this point here. We're also going to be looking, like I said, at Ethereum, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on the up and up here. You can see we have this ascending fractal draw, and we have it on MARGEX too. You can see MARGEX, we've been tracking this too. It's very simple. We had a beautiful kind of floor that we found, followed by this top price ceiling resistance here, and we started kind of consolidating in here, not really breaking above, and then we started to see this rally, this pump to the upside here. No surprise there, but we are inside an ascending broadening wedge for the most part here, and I said sky's the limit. We saw the reversal, we saw the bottom here, and we kind of figured that this run would take place here. So, you know, if you want to, make sure to check out MARGEX down in the description below. Once I find where the sign up bonus page is, I'm going to show you guys that too. It's pretty cool. They have some pretty cool stuff going on right now, but definitely make sure to check them out if you haven't already. I know I've mentioned them before on the channel many years ago, but I'm giving them another shot for the time being, seeing if they're good. They seem to be all right. But anywho, moving forward from MARGEX, and from XRP, which, as we said, is on that up and up, I do think we're near an overbought, and I think there's a very good chance of possible correction. You guys have to pay very close attention. Same thing goes with Solana. I mean, buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news, and now that the inauguration is taking place, there's a very solid chance of possible correction. That's all I'm going to say here. You're already seeing the uncertainty right now. It's like manipulation fighting the markets, and there's a good chance we could see possible dips. I really do think that's what could come. And with the markets being closed today, we don't even know how the stock market is going to react. I'd likely think we'll head up higher, but we're not really doing too well in regards to the height here. Like, I don't think we can maintain and handle movements this high. And that's why we're already starting to see correction back down. I do think eerily we are due for that. I mean, we already had the run on XRP. We could go higher, but we need to let this settle. At least wait for tomorrow when the markets open across the board for us to really make some sort of decision. Ethereum is like maybe a little late to the party here, a little delayed gratification as we are rejecting off supports here. And if we continue, we'll head down. But I mean, we're due for a pump on Ethereum. Ethereum's the only one that's trading sideways here. Could very easily head up, to say the least. So keep that in the back of your head as well. There's a good chance that could happen here. It's only a matter of time before we find out, though. So Ethereum, plenty of room. The other cryptocurrencies, not so much. I'd say they're more so due for correction than anything else. So, but with that being said, I guess we'll cover these other cryptocurrencies or these other commodities before we wrap things up. Looking at Invesco QQQ, which I really like here. We ended on Friday pretty well off here. But like I said, it pretty much could go either way. With the confirmation here, we could very easily head up. And more than likely, we could head downwards. I know I'm speaking like 50-50 chances here, but with the way these markets are going, buy the rumor, sell the news, with the inauguration, everything taking place, it's pretty much hit or miss. Again, it doesn't matter too much because we're not going to trade any of this within the day, but it's just to really say, hey, if we close below here tomorrow, we'll know we're going to continue to head down. Inevitably, it's going to cause a reversal, most likely. But if tomorrow closes where we are right now, then there's a good chance we'll continue to scale up and we'll know. So really, what I'm trying to say is don't trade anything for the most part until we get the information tomorrow. And that'll really figure out what we're going to do. Same thing with stock market. We're inside the descending fractal here. We don't know what's going to happen. If tomorrow opens us up above, we'll very likely head up higher. But if not, we could easily start to see the dump. So it's all open across the board, all up for grabs right now. We don't know for certain. So just be patient, and I'll update you in tomorrow's episode. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.